We've had fantastic service from LexisNexis from the moment that we decided to examine the product through to training, implementation and now ongoing support. At this point we feel that we've certainly made the right decision, and we're confident that that'll give us a competitive edge over our fellow competitors.
I think the same way that we're responsive to our clients, we need our vendors to be responsive with the sort of ideas and the needs that we require to service our clients.
Look, my experience with vendors has been they've often been focused on the quality of the product from an IT perspective or a stability perspective. They've been less focused on what the product can do for the business in the client relationship. And I think that probably from the point of view of the first question, where it needs to go is vendors to be more directly thinking about how lawyers actually work, what they need to support them in their work, and how to get them to service clients better.
The LexisNexis especially are helpful in that they're always adapting to our systems and the legal process, and I think it's just being aware of what everybody has to offer and making sure that people are staying in front and keeping up with the technology.
Certainly with LexisNexis Affinity, our practice management system, that's an area I think there is a lot of opportunity with some of the new developments they're doing. The web interface that's coming, I see that as hopefully a huge benefit for us. Clients really do want to be able to see what's happening on their matters, and there's just such a powerful force for having access to online services. You know, they don't actually want to only deal with lawyers during business hours. They want to be able to order services online, go onto our website, be mobile and be getting advice on the fly. And really, I think that's the way with an affinity practice management system, with that sort of facility in there to be able to offer that to clients. That's the way that we need to do that.
Look, I think particularly with a variety of practice management platforms, mobility still presents to be a challenge. Again, in terms of mobility in this day and age, that should be part and parcel. So, you know, being able to access your practice management system if you're out at a client's premise, being, you know, potentially able to dictate a client note straight into the practice management system whilst you're in the car coming back from that client would be fantastic. So again, the actual devices are there in terms of the mobile devices. It's just that integration piece between mobility and the practice management system, and, you know, making all that happen.